Welcome students, this is ninth part or ninth lecture of second chapter, that is energy resources. Course outcome is select alternative energy resources for engineering practice. Learning outcome, select appropriate solution of efficient use of energy. State impacts and overuse of natural resources. Solutions of conserving natural resources. First is controlling deforestation, reducing oil mineral consumption, more exploration and use of renewable source of energy like biogas, biofuels, etc. Protecting wetlands and coastal ecosystem, awareness creation, treatment of industrial waste and sewages before release in the water bodies, rainwater harvesting, ensure the recycling of waste, sustainable farming practices like crop rotation, construction of reservoirs, present global energy use is energy consumption in developing countries is only 1/10 of that in the developed countries. Coal and natural gas were the most used energy fuel for generating electricity. The world's electricity consumption was 18,608 TWN in 2012. In 2018, the total world energy came from 64% fossil fuel, 10% nuclear and 10% renewable. Renewable, that is hydro power, wind power, solar energy and geothermal energy. Global energy future demands. World primary energy demand increased by 1.6% per year on an average. The Energy Information Administration, that is EIA, recently released its latest International Energy Outlook, that is IEO. Its forecast from 2012 out to 2040 is as follows. It is given in the diagram. Demand of oil is the most important and most highly consumed source of energy in the world. Demand of oil rise from 85 million barrels per day to 106 MB, that is million barrel. Developed industrialist countries consume 43 million barrels daily on an average, while developing countries consume only 22 million barrels oil. Demand of coal. It is the second most abundant source of energy in the world and is highly used in power generation. Coal ranks quite low in terms of consumption. Its demand increases to 26%. Demand of natural gas. It has been the energy source with highest rate of growth in recent years. Consumption of gas has increased to 22%. Demand of renewables. The demand of renewable energy will more than double by 2040, largely backing out coal. Hydroelectric power will remain the largest single source of renewable energy, accounting for about half of renewable electricity output in 2040. Demand of nuclear power. Nuclear power is forecast to grow 87%. Its overall share of demand, however, is expected to move from a bit more than 4% in 2012 to not quite 6% in 2040. Demand of other energy sources. World electricity demand increased at a rate of 2.5%. Transportation energy consumption increases by nearly 40% between 2018 to 2050. Energy conservation. We save our money when we save energy. Why to conserve it? We have limited resources available on earth and our demands are continuously increasing day by day. It is possible that someday most of the non-renewable resources will be exhausted. Hence, it is necessary to save non-renewable energy resources. Energy conservation increases national, personal and financial security. What we can do at personal level. At home, we should not keep lights unnecessarily switched on. Reduce the energy your appliances consume by analyzing star ratings. Improve your water heating efficiency to reduce energy cost. We reduce pollution when we save the energy. At public places, switch off the fans and lights in the places like bus terminals and railway stations when not necessary. Switch off the street lights. Big hoardings lighten up for the whole evening and nights are the other wastage of power which can be and should be avoided. What we can do at global level. Energy strategies for a sustainable world. Necessary condition for socio-economic change. To lead to a sustainable world must include satisfaction of basic need of peoples, economic viability, self-reliant interdependence of nation, harmony with environment. Energy strategies for future can be classified as immediate, mid-term, long-term. Now, immediate energy strategy is optimum utilization of existing asset, efficiency in production system and reduction in distribution losses, promoting R&D, transfer and use of technologies for environmentally sound energy systems, rationalizing tariff structure of all energy products. Energy strategies for a sustainable world. Medium, demand management through conservation of energy, structural changes in economy, model mix in transportation sector, recycling, a shift to less energy intensive modes of transport, shift to renewable source of energy. Long-term strategy is efficient generation of energy resources, improving energy infrastructure, creation of urban gas transmission and distribution network, improving energy efficiency in accordance with national socio-economic and environmental priorities, promoting of energy efficiency and emission standards, program for adopting energy efficient technologies in large industries, deregulation and privatization of energy sector, streamlining approval process for attracting private sector participation in power generation, transmission and distribution. So, this is the end of second chapter, that is energy resources, which is for 16 marks. Thank you.